Hi friends! Welcome to the Technic Life YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing designs using Canva. I know many of you think designing is difficult, but with Canva it's super easy. We'll cover everything from Canva basics to downloading your finished design. Don't forget to watch my video till the end. Give it a like and subscribe. First, go to canva.com and log in. This is the Canva homepage. There are many types of designs here: presentations, social media posts, brochures, resumes, videos, and much more. You can click Create a Design and select the type of design you want. I'll choose a Facebook post this time, but you can choose something else if you prefer. Click, and there, our workspace is now open. Now you can see Canva's interface. On the left is the menu. From here you can find images, text, stickers, graphics, and anything else you need. The middle is our working area. This is where your design takes shape. At the top is the toolbar. This lets you change color, font, alignment, and other elements. Did you notice the smart responsiveness? When you select an element, it guides you on how to modify it. Now, let's see how to use themes in Canva. Here's how to choose a theme to make our design even more beautiful. Now let's see how to use template in Canva. Here's how to choose a template to make our design even more beautiful. You can see the template button on the right side. Click on it. Now you'll see various templates. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? These templates change everything from color schemes to fonts and background designs. I'm choosing this colorful template. You can see how it suits you. Click on any template you like. You can preview it. If you want, click Apply. Then, all your pages will change, according to the template. You can see how different my design looks now. Everything matches now. Now let's see how to add images to your design. Select Elements in the left menu. See, here are millions of free images in Canva. You can also upload your own images through Uploads, or use this search bar to find the images you need. I'll type beach in the search. Here are many beach images showing up. I'll choose this image. You click, and then it's added to your design. Now you can change its size, rotate it, or change its position. Look, I'm dragging it from here. You can try it too. Grab the white points to make it larger or smaller. Remember, you can use the top toolbar to change the image's effects, color, or transparency. I'll try adding a filter to this image. There, I've applied this filter and changed the look of the image. You should try these things too. Next, let's add text. Click on Text in the left menu. You'll see options like Add a heading, Add a subheading, or Add a text box. You can also choose pre-designed text designs. Scroll through this list. You can choose any style of text you prefer. I'll click on Heading. Now I'm typing Beautiful Forest. You can type whatever you want. Select this text, and from the top toolbar, you can change the font type, size, color, and line spacing. Let's try. I'm changing the font to Montserrat, increasing the size, and changing the color to a light blue. Can you see the attractive difference? Also, you can make the text bold or italic. I'm adding an underline. Now let's see how to add various elements. Click the Elements button in Canva. Now you can find shapes, lines, graphics, stickers, graphs, and charts. Scroll through this list. I'll try this shape. See this beautiful circle that matches our beach image. When I click it, it's added to my design. Now you can change the size, shape, or color of this circle. What I'm doing, see, I'm extending this circle to cover the whole image, changing its color, and making it slightly transparent to place over the image. Can you see how beautiful it looks? I'm also adding a sticker here. Look through these stickers and choose a good one. See, this looks very nice on our design. Okay, now let's add some life to our design. Let's add animations. Click Animate in the top menu. Now you can see various animation styles. Try them out by clicking Preview. I'm choosing Fade. I click Preview. See the beautiful change to our design. You can animate elements separately. To do this, select each element and choose a suitable animation. I'm selecting this text and adding a rise animation to it. Next, I select the sticker and apply a bounce animation. See how these two work together? Now we want to download our design. Click the Download button in the top right corner. Now you can choose the file type. You can choose formats like PNG, JPG, PDF, or MP4. I'll choose PNG. Next, click Download. Now it's downloading. Check your computer's Downloads folder. Our design has been saved. This is how you create a beautiful design using Canva and download it. Try making various types of designs to get familiar with it. You'll be able to create beautiful designs very quickly. You can use your downloaded design anywhere, whether on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or other social media, or on your website, blog, for printing, or anything else. All right, friends, subscribe to my channel for more videos about using Canva. Next video. Thank you. I'll show you how to create more advanced, beautiful designs. Thank you very much.